Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Abraham. I am the Managing Director for Hexa Global Ventures for India and Southeast Asia. And what we do is we take great HR tech companies from this part of the world into the US market. We land and expand these companies. As I mentioned this morning, the winds of change are actually blowing across learning and learning technologies, and there's a lots happening. And I spoke briefly about three critical trends. One is that learning will go beyond traditional content, and we really call it learning in the flow of work. And that would mean really having internal mentoring and platforms wherein you have access to experts within the organization to learn when you're faced with a particular problem. Likewise, internal gig platforms, which will really help you work on projects to execute what you have really learned, apply what you have learned, and to be able to collaborate with people around the world to actually make things happen. The other critical trend is really around the entire concept of skills engines and competency frameworks, which are going to be really at the forefront. And I think that's something that we're going to see a lot of organizations adopting, and a lot of technologies really there to actually make it happen. And the third thing is, how do you really measure the impact of learning on engagement and performance? And that's really going to be a very, very critical thing. And learning will not be in isolation, but will be part of a larger HR tech ecosystem integrated into all of them.